Hello, my name is Raquel Johnson, and I'm one of the instructors for Excel at WNC. Today, I'm going to cover how to set a SMART goal. This presentation is about setting goals. Goal setting is making a plan. How do we make a good plan or goal? I will explain why making a goal is a good idea, what types of goals we can make, and how to make a SMART goal. First, why should you set goals? Goals make things clear. They allow you to remain mentally and physically focused on what you want to achieve in your life. Also, goals help you stay focused. There are many interruptions and distractions. Don't let later become never. Successful people have many positive attitudes and habits that help them be successful. For example, they read every day, continuously learn, and notice at the bottom, they set goals and develop life plans. In fact, if you write down your goals, you will be more likely to achieve them. There are many types of goals: personal, work, education, social, or financial. Many of these goals overlap. In other words, they help each other. For example, if you have a goal in education to learn English, that will help you get a better job or get more pay. And if you get more pay, you will be able to meet financial goals such as saving money. What goals do you want? What do you want to achieve? Setting a goal is like planning a trip. Where do you want to go? Is it close or far? You may look at a map and plan how you will get there. Depending on the distance, you may drive or fly. Do you have what you need to arrive at your destination? How long is the trip? Will you have to stop along the way? Setting goals is like deciding what road to take. Depending on how far the road is, there may be a few stops or many stops along the way. Stops are like steps. Some steps are short-term goals, meaning it's close by, and others are long-term, meaning it's farther away. In this example, he is a food preparation worker. His short-term goal is to take English classes so that he can get a better job, perhaps being a cook. And as he continues to take classes, he will continue to save money and eventually reach his long-term goal of being a restaurant owner. There are ways to decide on making SMART goals. This is a guide for success. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. And just like asking questions about taking a trip, we want to ask questions about making a goal. Is your goal specific? What exactly do you want to do? Is your goal measurable? How will you track your progress? Is it attainable? Do you have what you need? Is it relevant? Does this goal matter to you? Why? Is it timely? When will this goal be completed? Just like the example of the person trying to become a restaurant owner, there are short-term goals or steps that will take you up to your long-term goals. In this example, this person is training for a race. To prepare, this person has written down short-term goals or steps every day. And by doing those miles every day, he can reach his weekly goals. And if he reaches every weekly goal or step, he will finish his long-term goal to be ready to run a race. As you can see, he is halfway through his goals. Let's practice. Some goals for students might be to improve your English skills. You can read to grow vocabulary, listen to podcasts in English, record yourself speaking in English, work on your English 15 to 20 minutes a day, or attend all your classes. Think of a specific goal. Can you write down the answers to make it specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-oriented? Try making your steps smaller. Today I will. In 1 week I will. In 1 month I will. In 1 year I will. Plan it. Maybe start with just this sentence. Write it down on a piece of paper. This week I will. If you have no goals, you will have no map to guide your life. I recommend that you focus on one goal. Follow one course until successful. If you try to do too many things at once, you may not do any of them. Your present circumstances don't determine where you can go. They merely determine where you start. You might say, "Oh, it's too hard. I can't do it." Cut away the T. Yes, you can do it. The staff and instructors in the Excel program will help you. Yes, you will.